Now the now two of my cats are eating my Milky Bar. Look at how they're eating my Milky Bar. Oh look, something's happened. Look, they're eating my Milky Bar. Why don't you try? What? Okay, fine, got it. Why don't you go join your friend over there? Go, join a friend. Come on. Wait. Let's see if the other cat likes that. Hey, want some? It's me. Here you go, want some? Do you want? It's good. Hold on. Wait, I'll go bring it. Looks like somebody's jealous over there.